slide through and get your back roll. Used to be involved with me with no emotion. I was on the way to the next show. You was on the phone and you was so open. Heard you say you're over me, is that so? You don't ever felt a girl and that's so. Yeah, could've held on, but you didn't go. Saying to yourself that it's better than this.
Ini brown.
Slide through and get your back roll. Funny thing is that you're going to need me, and I know you should slide through and get your back roll. Feelings I've been stacking like a bankroll. I should probably find a way to let it go. Wonder what it was to turn you cold. Said you let me get it and I wasn't joking. It's the way it was a couple years ago. Back when you was younger, now you're outgrown. Hard to just accept I was a stepping stone. Way that people talk about you should've known. To need me and I know you should slide through and get your back roll. Funny thing is that
Good. It's my sunscreen, honey. This is for sunscreen inatumika wapi? Haya bye.
I need to get the fuck out my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy spin like a great escape. I need no trick, gold eyes on chains. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. You got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving savage, calling on my favorite. You know how to reach me every time that it pays you right. Rise up the night, we committed a crime. Way over long, there's no sacred spot. We can't be outside, cause I'm against the crowd. Am I on your mind? Wherever you are, don't call me. Business got me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, Lowski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows. You know, Lowski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows. I need total confidential privacy. No one knows, thinking I'm a robot. Time so strange that we on the first class trip. Don't work my nerves, you know I get bored. Fucking, we ain't making love no more. He took that talk, but he don't match up with. So strong with every.
Can you wash my face? Can you wash my face?
Don't call me. I don't really like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out to choosing violence. See me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows.
Welcome to this new vlog. I hope naonekana. In case you are new here, please make sure you have subscribed. So saizi ni 12:30. We have just had hata naonekana tumetoka kula breakfast, egg lunch. That's mboga kienyeji, kuka kienyeji, ugali and mala. Na nimeshiba. Anyway, meparara. What do I say? Oh yeah, we are in Eldoret. Eldoret holds so much memories because I grew up here for the first 7 years of my life, and then high school yangu ilikuwa like around So you can imagine being here again. It feels very nice. So we are here because we're having a family event tomorrow, which I'm excited about. But then you know what that means for leo on Thursday. We are touring the city. Proceeds to only go kwa mall moja. Anyway, we'd love to tour the city today. So we are here now. So tutafanya si tutaenda tuone. Yes. So hiyo ndo our plan of today. So we now want to get ready, we shower, and then 20. So what else do I even want to say? I thought nikana like a lot of things kusema. Oh, I thought actually there is a nice Japani vlog me. I was waiting on something exciting. So nilikuwa like okay kwanza vlog kabla ikuje, like I want to use it vlog. So nika like I never want to vlog, but then nikasema you know what, this is something that I'm excited about na nataka capture kabisa. So here we are. FYI, we are at my other sister's place. We are me, my sister, and my baby nephew. So we are here, but then she's not around. So nika took like a whole Airbnb to ourselves, an Airbnb that you can do literally anything. So yeah, why nimeanza vlog ni nataka kuonyesha the 2 dresses I got from Southfield Mall. Wacha niwaonyeshe. Nilionyesha tukienda, but then sikuonyesha what we got. So hiyo ndo nataka kufanya sasa hivi. Yeah. Piece was this dress. It's a green summer dress. Sister zangu anasema that like this dresses ina give museum kabisa. Like aliona tu natoka like you utapenda. This is the first dress in a plan kuvaa leo. But then ubaya ya hizi dress ni see through. So lazima uvae na kitu ndani unless unataka kuonekana. That's the first dress. Although hii ni pretty short, but huku chini ni flared. So it's okay. The second dress ni hii, the red pleated dress. Nimeshindwa ku iron. Hawezi tell me nifanya home science. Nimeshindwa ku iron pleats. Anyway, this is the second. Okay, but imetokea kidogo. I don't know, mnaona hizo pleats. Anyway, this is the second dress. This is now what I'm wearing for the event. I want something decent, but then something that give medium. Okay? So this is the second dress. Even inaka pretty long. Inafika a little bit below the knee. I am all dressed and looking cute, but nimeweka hii hapa juu. Inashinda kai inaanguka, ni big huku juu a bit. Slightly. So I want to oil huko my elbow, my knees, because the legs are out. Yeah. Hii ndo natumia. Inanukia vizuri sana. And then for the perfume, nimekuwa tu nikisikia watu wakisema Chanel number 5. So this is my sister's Chanel number 5. And honestly, sidhani inanukia all that. I think napenda too because ni Chanel number 5. But yeah. So let me do that. Bag. Oh my god. My bag. Like, how don't you have sisters? Ow! Anyway, this is my sister's bag, but it's mine for the day. So he might. Inakaa vizuri sana. So, hivyo. Oh, and did I show you guys the Orimo smartwatch? Did I?
honest, that's just a game, you know. We both can play. For tonight, I'm yours. So deny the truth, or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is lie with you, even though it's wrong to lie with you. We've become numb to what we know is wrong. No one knows but us. The feelings.
I don't need like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business cut me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. In all honesty, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy spin like a great escape. I need no drink, gold eyes don't change. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. You got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving service, calling on my favorite hoe. You know how to reach me every time that it plays in my rise up the night, we committed a crime. Way over long, I'm gonna say goodbye. Got me out, you choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I'm the lowest of the low.